Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a hare and a tortoise. The hare was known far and wide for his speed and took great pride in his ability to run swiftly. The tortoise, on the other hand, was slow but very steady and determined. One day, the hare mocked the tortoise for his slowness, saying, "You are so slow. If we had a race, I would surely win easily." The tortoise, smiling, replied, "Why don't we have a race then? Let's see who wins." The hare agreed immediately and invited all the other animals in the forest to watch the race. On the day of the race, all the animals gathered to see the spectacle. As soon as the race started, the hare dashed off quickly, leaving the tortoise far behind. After running for a while, the hare looked back and saw the tortoise was far away. He thought, "The tortoise is so slow, I can afford to take a nap and still win the race." Confident in his speed, the hare lay down under a tree and fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving steadily, step by step, without stopping. He passed by the sleeping hare and continued towards the finish line. The hare, sleeping soundly, did not notice the tortoise. Finally, the tortoise reached the finish line and won the race. When the hare woke up, he ran as fast as he could towards the finish line, but it was too late. The tortoise was already there, having won the race. The hare felt ashamed of his arrogance and apologized to the tortoise. The tortoise, smiling kindly, said, "There is no need to apologize. This race has taught us both an important lesson. Slow and steady wins the race." From that day on, the hare never mocked the tortoise again, and they became good friends. All the animals in the forest learned the valuable lesson that persistence and determination are more important than speed and overconfidence. Moral: slow and steady wins the race. Persistence and determination are key to success, while arrogance and carelessness can lead to failure.